Here we installed a Pandora Smart Pro, and a Pandora Smart Pro is a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser. And what we've done is we installed it on this Abarth 124 Spider GT model. Lovely cars, I absolutely like these cars. And the person this car belongs to is an old friend of ours, Curly. We've done so many of his cars in the past, and obviously this is his new edition, and he brought it to us to get it protected. Now with the Pandora Smart Pro, it's not just an alarm and immobiliser, it also gives notifications and it has GPS tracking built into it. It's all as one package. So if the alarm system triggers, you'll get a text alert or phone call, so you can program it to do that, and also an app alert. So, and then it will actually tell you what's triggered the alarm system off. So for example, if the doors get forced open, and basically shows an intrusion through the door, it would actually tell you doors open, it'll tell you what doors open. And on top of that, if it's one of the sensors, it'll tell you is that sensor. And the thing is with this system, it's so comprehensive. It has built-in shock sensor, worn-away shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor, interior sensor, and obviously all the doors, the boot and the bonnet is all protected. So any intrusion in this vehicle is going to trigger, and you'll get notification that it's been triggered. The other thing about it is the fact that it has GPS tracking, so you could actually see where the vehicle is, and it's live tracking, so you can actually see it as it's moving. And you go back in history as well, so you could see, you know, what happened a month ago. You know, so it's a nice bit of kit, really. So the way it works, this car is keyless, so it has a keyless system, push the start button, and you have to have a unique Pandora tag with you. And without that tag, you cannot disarm the alarm system, and nor could you disengage the immobiliser. And that's the important part, is the immobilisation, because you don't want it to go missing. So the tag's not present, so the alarm system cannot see the tag. What we're going to do, we're going to basically unlock the car as we normally would do, and I'll just show you how it works. So unlocking it, it hasn't disarmed the alarm because the alarm system cannot see the tag. And as you can see, the alarm system's now going off. So if you come over here, I'm going to go attempt to start it, foot on the brake, pushing the start button, and we've got absolutely nothing. So now we've got the tag. So this is what the tag looked like. Is that there? And that's your normal remote. So it's not actually that big, it's quite small. So you don't have to do anything with the tag, it's just proximity. You've just got to have it with you, and that's all you have to do. So now I'm going to unlock the car, and now I've got this, so the alarm system should see it. It's now disarmed the alarm system. Now if we jump in, so I'm going to put my foot on the brake and now start it up. So as simple as that. So all you have to do is have that with you. You better start the vehicle up and obviously disarm the alarm system. Well, there you have it. That's the Pandora Smart Pro. It's a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser, and that's been installed on this Abarth 124 Spider GT model.